Just every soul is divine. Every kid is born a leader. What matters is the upbringing and exposure which will ultimately manifest the leadership skeleton within. As early the child is exposed to leadership, the better it is. It is the responsibility of the parents to empower kids in a way that they confidently can encounter the challenges of life and get successful in leading a happy life. This innovative and first-of-its-kind Leadership Olympiad fittingly complements the leadership parenting endeavors. Power meditation. This transforms oneself to be the source of positive energy and also be open-minded, because of which the child's grasping power will grow multifold. As a result, the child will be able to learn a lot within less time and thus optimizes on his or her efforts, making scope for learning beyond classroom. A video session is available for parents' evaluation.